Here is our VM, and there is a three machines: host one, host two, host three. So we will see the host three, and we have created already host three. There is some configuration file. So I will show you how to how to configure the database. So in our VM machines, okay. So already our machine is running up and running. So here I will show you some configuration. So you need to some down this host, and I will show you the what is the basic configuration requirement. So here I will going to down this node. Mhm. Yes, okay. So now you can see there is a we will check what is the basic configuration requirement of this for database configuration. So basic requirement you can see there I have allocated in 4 GB RAM for the memory. For basic memory we have required at least 4 GB. Processor at least two processor we have required. And hard disk 25 GB we have allocated, and this is the image or Linux images ISO files which we have configured, and network we have set in the bridge, so our network connection it will be running fine. So this is the basic requirement of this VM host, and this is our Linux virtual machine. So I'm going to start this Linux machine, and we will configure the hour here in the Oracle database 19c. Yes. So okay. So guys, we have our machine has started here. Okay, host 3 machine is started. So we have taken the booty session here. So here you can see there is no database running. Okay. So do hyphen Oracle. Okay. March 724. Okay. So I have already downloaded the Oracle 19c file. So you can see here, I will show you how to download the Oracle file. So you can go to the Oracle database 19c in Linux. Okay. And this file, there is a, go to this link, and you can see here is the option, and this file you have to download this file you have to download. But here is already I have downloaded, so I will show you this. There is a path. So here is our data already I have downloaded of the Oracle Launch patch. Okay, so here I'm going to the where our file is kept. Yeah, here is the folder where I keep with my Oracle patch. Okay, so yeah, you can see there here you have copied this already file and unzip. So you can unzip like this command. You can use this command to unzip and file name. This command you have to unzip, and so already I have already unzipped this file. Next me because there is a GUI format for this configuration. So I have downloaded Xlink. You can do the Google and download this Xlink. And there is some configuration of in Xlink. Nothing is just to start this once installed, and just to start this Xlink, and you can see here your Xlink is running. Okay, so that is the only path, and then after you have to take the another session and there do the some configuration. So I will show you what is the configuration required. So just put in this IP. Here I will taking the another space station, and some setting need to change in this putty session. So here select the connection and go to the SSH. Go to this connection, go to the SSH. There is the X11 and this need to enable this X11, and here type the local host colon 0.0. You have to put on this and then open. Okay, so now directly you have to log in with Oracle user. Okay, so I'm just taking the login. Okay, so yeah, that is done. Now going to the where our software. So going to those path. Okay, okay. So our software kept in this software path. Okay, so I will show you. Yeah, so you can see this command. Okay, so I have already unzipped this file. Okay, so unzip and file name. This command we can use for the unzip. So here is our installer. So just nothing we have to do. Just dot slash run installer. You have to execute and wait for some times. So our GUI format will be open because our we have already Xming running. Okay, so just yeah, now we started our Oracle configuration here, installer page. So we have required for Xming software so that it will be boot on the GUI format. Okay, so yeah, now in first step, the first step is asking create the configuration as single instant database. This option to create a starter database. This scenario, it will be starter database you already when it will be configured. So here I will not create a database. Just we have installed the setup, only the Oracle setup. Okay, so here going to the next step, and there is a asking two steps: single instance database you want to create, or before this you have to execute this prerequisite database prerequisite command. So for this we have required for the network connection. Okay, and just run with a root user. I'm just here run with root user. So there is some packages we have required for the Oracle 19. It will be get installed. Okay. Okay. So go to the next step. Yeah, here is the two option is also standard edition and enterprise. So I will be go with the enterprise edition. Okay. Now the already I have created this directory. So here I will show you. So I have created some directory in this already. So I will share with this some directory we have created. So here you can see I have created some directory with the install group and Oracle user. So this will be shared in your in this description. You can catch it from there, and you can create before the configuration. So just I'm showing this directory is already created, so no worry about this. And if you want to change in your system your different directory, then you can browse and set up this different browser. So in my case already this path is just created, so I will go with the next step with the same directory, same Oracle base path. This is the Oracle base path. Okay, now in second scenario, it is asking for the inventory directory. So already in this our scenario, already we have a same path we have created. So go with the same directory, Oracle. Okay. So in Oracle directory and go to the next steps. Okay. Here is a giving some error specified with the central inventory is not equity. Okay. I think in this path some file is already there. That's why it's giving the error. So I'm going to the this path and check. I'm going to the okay. I'm copy this path. Okay, and just go to this path with root user and check. Okay, this there is already some files, so we will delete this file. Okay, start. Okay, so delete all this file. Okay, no, you can see there is no file. Okay, now come to the my uh, steps. Okay, there is a direct inventory data and select the next options. Okay, in this next options, you can say the database administrator, some groups already permission is required. So we have only one user, Oracle. Our main user is Oracle. So we have provided the OS DBA groups, this Oracle user. So nothing worry. This is as it is. We can keep and go with the next step. Yeah, here is a root script execution. Some script execution is required. So during the software configuration, certain operations have been performed and root user. So you can choose the have the installation performance. Not required. So you just go with the next option. Okay. So it will be preparing the performance check of the servers and OS level, kernel, some parameter they will check and then after this is the checking the prerequisite of this server. Okay, so here is telling the group member offer is failed. Okay, this group is already not created, so just fix it. Or if just this file you can execute and fix this problem. Okay, so I have copy. Okay, so I'm going to this root user and just paste this file. Okay, not copy is done. Okay, so I will check once again and copy this proper this file. Yeah, so you can see the fix of the operation was completely successful. Okay, so and go to the OK and go to the next step. Yeah, you are here. You can see the Oracle 19.6 dollar already some setup. So you can just keep this backup of this all configuration summary and just select the save option and you can just save in this Oracle path. Okay, you can choose the other path. So we have already in keeping this Oracle directory. Okay, already there is a file, so we can replace this path and go to the install option. Okay, so here they will take some time. So it will be wait and we are going to pause this video and once completed then we will continue this configuration. Okay.